This morning, a civil trial is set to begin for claimants still fighting for compensation more than 2 years after the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse. Now, this legal battle continues despite efforts by the ship's owner and operator to delay proceedings after federal criminal charges were announced.
And the Key Bridge disaster continues to have major impact on our community. So this morning, our Stephanie Douglas is live on your corner outside the U.S. District Court in downtown Baltimore with what we can expect today. Good morning, Stephanie.
Casey, Kent, Tim, this morning attorneys will battle in court over who should be held financially responsible for the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse. Now, more than 2 years after that deadly bridge collapse, several claimants still have not settled, and that includes Baltimore City and county governments, along with cargo companies, local businesses, and more that were impacted after the channel leading to and from the Port of Baltimore was blocked for months. Now, the trial will determine whether Grace Ocean and Synergy, the owner and operator of the Dolly cargo ship, can limit their liability in the disaster. The companies have argued that the crash was beyond their control and believe they should not be held responsible for the full amount. Attorney Judd Lipowitz represents one of the victims' families.
There was overwhelming evidence of negligence. The ship never should have left the dock. This is the largest transportation disaster probably ever.
Now, today's trial comes days after the families of the victims and one survivor reached confidential settlements. Maryland previously settled its case for $2.25 billion. Now, the civil trial will be a bench trial, meaning that it will be only a judge, not a jury, to determine the outcome of the case. Today's proceeding begins at 9 a.m. and could last through the month of June. Reporting live on your corner this morning in downtown Baltimore, I'm Stephanie Douglas for WJZ.